What's up, guys? It's me, Josh. I'm just chilling here. Hey, shit, is that a seat anything?
Do you know Bogart the Explorer?
No, who's that?
literally just said that.
Why? Who's Bogart?
You sound like him.
Yeah? Hey, honey, Bobby.
Yeah, everyone's talking about that. Like, who's that guy who's like, baby?
You know the electric. You know the electric.
Like, oh yeah, it's Joshua. He was nice.
Just pull it down.
Alright, welcome back to the vlog.
You have the
Today,
same block.
we're gonna go crazy. Today, we got our boy Kevin here, going some crazy stunts. And, but on the camera is Honey Bubby. We got my boy Michael here, straight from America. You can tell by his face. Lifeguard status. We're safe. Check out my thong. It's a little broken, but you know, we make do.
Oh, this is nice. Oh.
What are you doing?
Come in.
There, Kev.
Oh.
What's happening right now? I'm so confused.
We're all on Kevin. Alright. We'll be good. We'll be good.
No man left behind. Yeah.
We're gonna get her back. How? Natuon na to. Sunny. What a very rainy day. But we're still going swimming. Hey!
Alright, farewell.
Dang. Wow! Ato na to sila. Hi! Kaboy na mo. Wala, wag na breakfast. Wow, burn the breakfast.
too.
Ay siya nga, kuan. Ano siya? Oh, Pado to Negros, mga 40 minutes na lang. Kasi anyway, you had big breakfast, you can go.
Yeah.
May lechon kami.
Ay, Jin. Hulma lang tong gagos gamit iwan-wan kaya wa man sila gagamit storya-storya ram sila.
Sige, tutan.
At least duha ba?
Another paddling there. Uy, makuha. Go, puppy.
Nice. Back this.
Woo!
Tagaking isda sa ilaw.
Yeah. I want to see underneath.
Just Momoa.
Crying babies.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Ah.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Don't hit them, Ate Jean, ha?
Yeah.
sorry. Okay, I'll stop.
Kasi makatime mo turtle dire.
We might see a turtle.
Jin. Kasi makatime mo turtle dire. Nagsabi turtles dire. Oo.
That's nice.
Ha? No? Non-stop.
Hello.
Hello. You can swim underneath, I'll video you.
Having a good time.
Okay, G, I'll give it to you now. The red one. Floating 701.
I'll
Oh,
Gcash.
crap. One more?
It's getting started.
Cheers.
Wow, this is like a chunk of salt. This is a really big shot.
What? You want me to move? Okay.
Just like that.
Breathe. No, the asin.
Wait, you have no excuses. You have no excuses.
She does actually. Smile!
Right. You're right.
Wow.
Ramini kay. Tikwi manok.
Quite the pool. Yeah, this is really nice here.
Fun.
Yes. Relax siya kayo here. Clear waters. Oh, diba?
I can't believe the prayer to the Jean.
Already.
Birthday section.
Oh,
That means you're going faster. Woots, woots.
Point is specifically located in 2 kilometers south of the municipal hall and 136 kilometers from Cebu City. Yep. The southernmost tip of Cebu in Liloan. Santander is facing the majestic mountains of Negros Oriental, towering beneath the azure sky. Now check it out right there. That is the azure sky. So Cebu's southernmost tip, as determined by Town Research and CBS Record. That's GPS.
And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting on the set to do is right. You be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say
Oh wow, that's a long wish.